No. Oh, sorry.
Hi everybody, my name's Ian Duffus. I'm an ex-racer now work for RI in Pirelli, and I'd just like to welcome the HM Plant Honda team to Scotland. They're obviously here for the next round of the BSB Championship, following up from Thurston. Without further ado, I'd like to get the riders up here and we'll introduce them all to you. We'll start with Jason O'Halloran. He's an Australian guy racing in the British Superstock Championship.
Oh, all right. Take that one, Jason.
Jason, you've had a good start to the season. You've had a couple of seconds. So how do you feel about Knockhill coming up this weekend?
I've always enjoyed the circuit up here, Knockhill, and I've had some decent results in the past year. I think the HM Plant Honda is going to work right around the circuit, and I'm looking forward to getting racing on Sunday.
You quite happy with whether it's wet or dry at Knockhill?
Yeah, I'm not too bothered whether it rains or whether it's dry. Same conditions for everybody. Hopefully we get a couple of dry practices in over the next couple of days so we can get a decent setup if it's dry on Sunday. If it's wet, we just deal with the conditions and do the best job we can.
And the Honda's working well for you? So how do you feel against the BMWs and the Kawasaki's out there?
Yeah, I think the Honda's definitely a strong package. It's a good all-round bike. I've had some good races this year. A couple of podiums, we've had a couple of not so good ones as well. But we keep racking up those points. Everywhere we've been there over 1,000 lap times. We just need to put a whole race together now and see if we can get our first win of the season up.
That's excellent, mate. Good luck for the weekend.
Thanks very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Everybody knows Luigi Chianari, commonly known as Kyo, so we'll have Kyo up right now. Hi Kyo, welcome to Scotland. What do you think of Scotland?
Nice one, isn't it?
Have you been to Scotland? Have you had a look around, or do you only come to the airport and to the racetrack?
Yeah, I've never been to the airport, but
just drive up?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So you've had a reasonably poor start to your season for your standards, so you're looking forward to Knockhill to turn it all around?
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, many days is not very good, but hope this weekend better other ways.
Yes. And do you enjoy Knockhill circuit? It seems to suit your style.
Yeah.
Yes. Good. Okay. Your bike is going well for you now. Are you comfortable with the package?
Yeah, my bike is very good. Not fast, but I'm just
Your tyres and the Pirelli tyres, have they been okay this year?
Yeah. No, everyone is
same, I think same
Yeah.
tyre and same compound, not probably.
I've heard a few rumours that the zero compound tyre has not been working so well this year. Have you had that problem?
No, not tyre problem. Just problem rider.
Just okay, we won't embarrass you anymore. Thank you very much. Thank you. So now over to title leader, assuming that he seems to be running away with a country mile, even though he's had a bit of bad luck as well this year. So welcome up Shane Byrne. I'll welcome you to Scotland as well, Shane. So you missed Knockhill the last couple of years, only doing your World Superbike round, but you looking forward to Knockhill this weekend?
Yeah, I am. I think it's good for us in BSB. You know, we get one chance to come north of the border, and you know, the Scottish crowd are really kind of knowledgeable and, you know, really enthusiastic as well. So, you know, us getting our one chance here and you guys having us here once is like a great combination, you know, because it makes quite an exciting race meeting and everybody wants to do well here because we only come here once a year. So yeah, no, it's good.
So going back to trucks then, that was a brilliant ride you had in the first race, and you know, from back row of the grid. At what point in the race did you start to smell the rostrum?
From the minute the lights went out, I think.
You were determined from the word go you were going to get on that rostrum, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, you know, some people say that the new championship format means that you know, positions, you know, in the first part of the season aren't so important. But at the end of the day, you know, when we go through, if we go through to the shootout, you know, every time we get on the podium at the moment, we get what's called podium credits. You get 3 for a win, 2 for second, and 1 for third. And when you get through to the shootout, you start on 500 points plus however many podium credits you get. So those podium credits, you know, might add up. You know, maybe if we go through to the shootout leading, we'll maybe obtain say 30 or 40 points. But then 30 or 40 points go on top of your base for the last 3 rounds. So, you know, it's important, you know, the HM Plant team and myself, you know, we do a good job all through the year, try and get as many credits as we can, and, you know, try to make you know, take a bit of pressure off the last part of the season, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, for sure, because that had a big difference on last year's results in the British Superbike. So you're the guy running second in the championship has been a bit of a surprise to everybody this year. Our American guy, his name's completely slipped my mind. Remind me. Hopkins, yeah, of course. Sorry. Hopkins. So, for me, he's been a surprise to the championship. What do you make of Mr. Hopkins?
I think that you know, someone with, you know, you can't take away a MotoGP podium from anybody. You can't take away MotoGP pole positions from anybody. You know, to achieve them is incredible. When he done them, he wasn't necessarily on the best bike on the field either. So you know, the guy's a phenomenal talent, and you know, yes, he kind of done his own thing and maybe gone a little bit off the rails a couple of years ago and stuff, but John's come back and you know, that talent's still there. Obviously he's riding a good bike, and you know, he's riding, you know, a good level, and you know, he's sort of second in the championship, and every weekend you think, well, I'll try and have a good weekend, but he's always sort of second or third, so you never really stretch too far away from him. But no, he's doing a good job, and you know, I'm enjoying racing, you know, with him and Keo and some of the other guys. You know, it's been good fun, so we'll see what happens for the rest of the season. Sure.
Well, everything's going to plan so far. You're leading the championship. You've got a decent lead, 15 points on John. So.
The only problem with that is that in theory, like I said earlier on, those podium credit things, as far as the actual shootout goes, the last 9 races, I'm on for 2 or 6 races, we've only got a 3-point lead. You know, these podium credits to add up. You know, John's only 3 points behind. You know, if we have 15 podium credits in front, then I reckon I'll be pretty happy. But you know, we've got a lot of work to do. We need to keep pushing as hard as we can every weekend, and try and do the best job we can, both here in Scotland and the rest of the races up towards the shootout.
Shaky, good luck for the weekend.